on. Oh no! Hello everyone, welcome to Catalog Home. My name is Darcy Keane. Thank you for joining me in the Christmas tree shopping. You have seen Christmas tree. Video we will be making a carrot mixed with orange juice. On my Wellness Wednesday video I showed you how to make some healthy carrot juice. I will also include the nutritional facts and benefits for juicing and drinking juices. So let's head over to this video and show you how to make some carrot and orange juice. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be making a carrot and orange juice. I'm so happy you're joining me. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscription button below. There is also a notification bell so you're aware of when I upload my next video. Now again, I am being sponsored to do those healthy videos and I want you guys to check out this website. It's called fabville.com. You could get a lot of the things that I'm actually using in my kitchen and also some pretty cool outfits, like really wonderful neutral outfits. I'm all about the neutrals, the blacks, the whites, the the nudes. So you can head over this website. There is a coupon code below. You can use it so you get the chance to get 15 to 30% off. Hopefully they give me a 50% off for my subscribers because last week quite a few people purchased things and I did get a little raise. So I hope that I could actually get 50% off for you guys. Anything you see that you want, yeah, I'm gonna try my best to get collaborations with them. Now when it comes to healthy eating, guys, I take this thing very serious. If you don't already know, I post every day on Instagram and Facebook about everything that I'm eating, from all the juices that I've been making. Last week, I think for my Wellness Wednesday video, I did make a carrot juice. So there's a link right here. Click it so you know how to make carrot juice and also learn about the nutritional facts and benefits of drinking carrot juice on a regular basis. Now this is something I've incorporated into my lifestyle. I have stopped wearing makeup. Like I stopped. I'm wearing my lipstick right now, but I could tell you, like my foundation, these things are not something I rush to anymore because I have taken care of myself internally and I could see how beautiful my skin look on the outside. Also, I have a new facial regimen to share with you. I will also share with you like a full day of what I eat from breakfast. I usually have some wheat toast with avocado, like different things I want to incorporate with you. Now those of you who have been following me, I know you're looking for my declutter videos, my DIY videos for my home, also my home purchase, my home buying journey. I want you to head over to my new platform, Catalog Home. This is where I'm going to share with you everything interior decor, like my plants, the different things I have at my home. I'll be sharing it with you on that platform. I know a lot of you have been following that journey and you're excited to see what I've become. So head over to Catalog Home. It's a new platform just for everything that has to do with the home. Interior, home design, kitchen, purchasing a home, investment. So let's get over to making some juice today. So I'm actually using my Bearville. This is a very nice, I love this juicer so much. So basically what I do, I would turn it on and then turn this on. Oh no! What a mess. Are you still recording? See, it made a mess? Like, why? I swear. And I'm actually speaking to the camera. I forget my cup. Let's do this again. Okay, let's do this again. So just glass jars for storing my beautiful juice. Perfect. So let's try this juice and see how it tastes. Again, this is carrot and orange. If you want to see the full video, it looks so rich. Tastes really good. It tastes really good. It is sweet, naturally sweet. You don't have to add any sugars to it, any sweetener. These are natural juices you can enjoy. So thank you again for joining me on my YouTube channel. My name is Darcy. If you haven't yet, hit the subscription button, notification bell below, click it so you're notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget, this collaboration is with FabFil.com. This collaboration and this video is being sponsored by FabFil.com. Head over there and get a chance to take advantage of the coupon codes I have below for you. If you're looking for natural, healthy foods, you could actually just you could incorporate this into living a bit more healthy and a little bit more simple. There's also a book an ebook I want you guys to check out. There's a coupon code below, so you get advantages of the discount that I provided with it. I read this book and trust me, eating healthy, living simple, and living a bit living healthy, like healthy lifestyle, this ebook will change your life. Give it a read. Tell me what you think about it and leave in the comment below what you think about this ebook. There's a coupon code below. Check it out. Hopefully you guys get a chance to discuss with me on Facebook and Instagram about the different things that you are doing to stay healthy. Now that was a healthy glass of juice. See you in my next video, guys. Bye. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darcy. If you are new, hit the subscription button below and the notification bell. I'm so happy you're stopping by. In this video, I will be showing you how to create this beautiful floral piece for your home interior decor. You could also use this for weddings, baby showers, just to add an accent piece to any interior or exterior. Okay, this piece was hand created by myself. We're approaching Valentine's Day, and I was like, you know something, Valentine's Day goes into spring, so let's create a bouquet that has a touch of the love. If you're someone in love, I do celebrate Valentine's Day. Don't know about you, I'm like the biggest lover out there. I love love. Okay, you know, I added a few accent pieces of the heart. We could always take this out. Now when it is time for Easter, we will create a bouquet like this and just place the Easter eggs on top inside as pics. Now this bouquet is so beautiful. If you want to see the full tutorial on this, everything was handcrafted. Stick around for the full video. So this is the bouquet. Just give you a spin around. It's so pretty. I love pink. Okay, I love pink. I just placed a few accent pieces of the red. I have the butterfly. Hello everyone, welcome to Catalog Home. My name is Darcy Keane. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Now it is the video you have all been waiting for. You have seen the Christmas tree shopping. You have seen the ornament assortments. Now it is time for me to decorate my Christmas tree. I can't tell you how I am so excited. I have been waiting for this day. Today is an awesome day. As you can see, I'm looking all snow up, like glammed up for this video because I'm like, area, you'll see